Did you know that 85% of online businesses fail because they don't have a strong visual identity, a functional website, or compelling content? But what if I told you that by mastering just 3 skills, you could start earning $1,000 or more every month, even as a beginner? Today, I'm breaking down the top 3 timeless skills to make money online in 2025: graphic design, web development, and writing. Let's get started. Let's start with the first skill: graphic design. In 2025, visuals are more important than ever. From social media posts to logos and branding, businesses are constantly looking for talented designers to help them stand out. Here's how you can make money with graphic design: freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or 99 Designs. Sell templates. Create and sell pre-made designs on marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy. Local businesses. Approach small businesses to design their logos, flyers, or social media graphics. The average graphic designer earns between $30 to $150 per hour, depending on their experience. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can learn this skill. To learn graphic design, you don't need to spend a fortune. Here are some affordable and free resources. YouTube channels like The Future or GFX Mentor offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses, check out platforms like Coursera, graphic design specialization, or Udemy, graphic design masterclass. Practice tools, use free tools like Canva or GIMP to get started. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for beginners to find small projects. 99 Designs, perfect for competing in design contests. Fiverr, ideal for offering affordable design services. Now, let's explore the second skill. The second skill is web development. In 2025, every business needs a website, and the demand for skilled web developers is higher than ever. Whether it's building a simple landing page or a complex e-commerce site, web development is a lucrative skill to master. Here's how you can make money with web development: freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, TopTal, or Freelancer. Build websites for local businesses. Approach small businesses that don't have an online presence. Sell website templates. Create and sell pre-made templates on marketplaces like ThemeForest or Template Monster. The average web developer earns between $50 to $200 per hour, depending on their expertise. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn web development: free resources. Platforms like FreeCodeCamp or W3 Schools offer beginner-friendly tutorials. Paid courses, check out Coursera, web development specialization, or Udemy, the complete web developer course. Practice tools, use free tools like Visual Studio Code or GitHub to build and showcase your projects. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance web development gigs. TopTal, perfect for experienced developers looking for high-paying clients. Freelancer, ideal for competing in web development projects. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third skill is writing. In 2025, content is still king. From blog posts and articles to email newsletters and social media captions, businesses are always looking for talented writers to help them communicate effectively. Here's how you can make money with writing: freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger. Content agencies. Join agencies that specialize in content creation. Start a blog. Monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. The average writer earns between $50 to $200 per project, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn writing: free resources. YouTube channels like Writing with Jenna Moresi or blogs like The Right Life offer great tips. Paid courses, check out platforms like Coursera, Creative Writing Specialization, or Udemy, Writing with Flair. Practice, start a blog or contribute to platforms like Medium to build your portfolio. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance writing gigs. ProBlogger job board, perfect for long-term writing opportunities. Fiverr, ideal for offering quick writing services. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations! You now know the top 3 timeless skills to make money online in 2025: graphic design, web development, and writing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these skills are in high demand and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one skill, and scale as you go. Be consistent, show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.